All right, so I have another Zealot S67 right in front of me. Same old problem. All right, so this is it. You can see the number, that is S67. Yeah. So let me turn this on. It's on. No sound. There should be a kind of chime, but nothing. Of course, the person said that you plug to the USB. So, all right, let me turn it off. So there's no chime of any kind. I've turned it off. Nothing. So let me turn it back on again. I think I could hear a kind of a noisy sound. Yeah. Let me try to press increase volume up. This is annoying. So I tried to increase the volume and that was a crazy sound. All right, so you can hear, right? So let me just open this, and after I'll let you know what I discovered and if it was the same voltage regulator or something else. All right, so I have fixed it. As usual, the problem was the voltage regulator. Here is it. All right, fixed. Although this speaker, Bluetooth speaker, has been given to someone else. I noticed that there are missing screws here. Just only one screw is remaining. All right, so let me just put this. Let me just turn this on. Can you hear the chime? Yeah, exactly. This is how it should be. All right, so let me turn off. Yeah, that is the chime. So it is working. So next is for me to just couple this and put it to test properly. So like I said, the problem was the same voltage regulator. So if you want to see the voltage regulator, you can refer to my previous videos. I've made tons of video regarding it. So it's kind of a repetition stuff. Yep. So that's how you fix it. All right. So I'm going to couple this, then put it to test finally and see how it will sound. Evidently, the problem has been fixed. Yeah. Let me see. Yeah, right. So this right here is the voltage regulator. Okay, it has, yeah, 4 legs. Basically, it has 3 active legs. Yep. So this is right here. So the speaker has been coupled. This is it right here. So it has been coupled. Now, let me turn it on. You're going to see the sound. Yeah, you're going to hear the sound rather. Yeah, you can see sound. All right, hear the chime. So let me turn it off. Now it is off. So let me switch this camera. All right, so turn on. It is on. Next is for me to connect to connect the device to here. All right, so device connected. Next is to play. Yeah, right.